Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete Facebook account in Android or iOS. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys have to open up Facebook app on your mobile phone. So after opening up Facebook app on your mobile phone, you guys have to simply tap on the top right corner of horizontal lines, which is options. So after tapping on horizontal lines, you guys have to simply scroll down and tap on settings. So after tapping on settings, here you guys have to simply click on personal and account information. So after selecting on personal and account information, here you guys have to simply tap on the last option, which is access and control. So here you guys have to click on deactivation on deletion, and here you guys have to simply select the second option, which is delete account. Actually the first option is deactivate account and the second option is delete account. The first option is a temporary option. So if you want to delete your account temporarily and you want to use your account after some time, then you guys can select first option. And if you want to delete the permanently your account, your all Facebook friend, your all posts will be permanently deleted in this way. So you guys have to select second option and click on continue to account deletion, and here you guys have to simply click on continue, and here you guys have to simply click on continue. And after selecting the continue, Facebook will ask you for password. So after putting the password, you guys can easily delete your Facebook account. So right now I am using Facebook Lite, and now I'm going to show you how you can delete from Facebook official app. So same option is available in Facebook, but you guys have to simply open up settings on Facebook app, and here you guys can be able to see, and here at this time you guys will be able to see account center on Facebook app. So after tapping on account center, you guys have to just click on manage account center. After selecting manage account center, you guys will be able to see the option which is manage access. So after tapping on manage access, the rest all options will be same as we have checked in this. You guys will be able to see two options, deactivation and deletion, and you guys have to simply select one of them, and Facebook will ask you for password, and in this way you guys can delete from Facebook app officially. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would really like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.